In this YouTube video, we invite you to experience the ultimate tiny living adventure at Tiny House Siesta, situated just a few steps away from the breathtaking Siesta Key Beach in Florida. Get ready to be captivated by the innovative design and functionality of these compact homes, perfectly tailored to maximize space without compromising on comfort or style. Specifically, we explore the living room area, which has a unique feature that allows it to transform into a full-size bedroom. With a comfortable white sofa that doubles as a bed, this tiny home maximizes its limited space and provides an innovative solution for those seeking a practical and functional living space. The kitchen area is equipped with everything you need to cook delicious meals, including a convenient double-burner cooktop, a refrigerator, and a microwave. Meanwhile, the bathroom area boasts a shower and flush toilet for your convenience. Located above the kitchen area, the cozy sleeping nook offers a peaceful retreat for a good night's rest. With its plush bedding and rustic chic decor, this loft bedroom is the perfect place to snuggle up and drift off to sleep. Whether you're planning to downsize or simply looking for inspiration for your own small living space, this video is a must-watch. So come along and discover how Tiny House Siesta is redefining the concept of comfortable and sustainable living.